All right, everybody, this is Joseph here in Alexandria at the place you're gonna play the private party at. Right there, State Road 28. That way, west leads straight to Elwood, which, myself and Toy Factory definitely want to stay out of. And that way will take you about straight to Muncie. But that's State Road 28. Right down this gravel driveway. And just bring the box truck right on through here. And those won't be there. We'll box truck right through here. And the basketball court, this is where the band will play. I'm going to guess that the band will face this way, that the people will be this way. I'm just guessing. There's the house. Now, the most important thing you want to know, other than load in, is power. He said they've had bands here several times. He said a guy hooked an electrical thing, so I'm going to guess that must be the spider box, kind of located it here. Then he said he ran a cable to that, but that must have been for something else, because all that is here is just a duplex on GFI, and we know you can't do a band out of that. So I asked him, I said, did they run a big thick cable into the garage to your panel? And he said he wasn't sure. So I'm going around here into the garage. So I'm thinking that the bands must have tied into this. So I don't know how many. If you had to guess, how many feet you think that is from there to here? 100? About 100 feet away. So that's that.